Your love is rated X. That means you're extra.
6:55 AM, early start to today's video. We got up at 6, we're heading to Plitvice Lakes, well the Airbnb near there. So we wanted, it's a 2-hour drive, we wanted to get up and out as early as possible. That was big lorry. Go very fast. 2-hour drive, and we're about past halfway. Actually we are past halfway, it's only about half an hour left. Currently 8:09 in the morning, and yeah, we're now off the coastline into the mountains, more inland. We're at Plitvice National Park now, and this is the queue just for tickets. And then it goes all the way round there to the ticket booth. How do you feel that you just skip this entire queue?
Feels good.
It feels amazing, doesn't it?
So many people.
So yeah, basically there was another ticket office that these people don't know about. It wasn't open yet, so I just waited 10 minutes in the queue, front of the queue, straight in. Bottom of one of the waterfalls in the park, and it's a lovely spray at the moment off of it. Oh, I just wish we could swim now. So many people! So effectively this is a 9-10 kilometre walk to see waterfall and fish. Would you agree, Robbie? This is a 9-kilometre walk to see fish and waterfall.
I would say we're also here to see the views as well.
And some rock, to see some rock as well, and trees.
It's a mystic, it's beautiful here, it's stunning.
Yeah, it's nice. But look at the colour of that water. Wow. So we are 4.5 minutes supposedly away from the big waterfall. But you will see it now. This is the peak, the pinnacle of Plitvice National Park. It's huge, it's actually really, really tall. That's how big it is. Person there. So Robbie was very courageous and went to the top of. So he went to the top of this, there, to get this photo. So after 12.2 kilometers of walking in Plitvice, we are now done. in our apartment, which is actually lovely, by the way. Had a bit of problems with the booking, but we're here now. One disappointing factor, it was advertised at the swimming pool, and the swimming pool is, you know, it's even advertised on the building that it's got a swimming pool in there. Turns out the swimming pool is not open till next year. Why advertise it that it's open? So yeah, a bit frustrating, but it can't be helped. But yeah, we're in a lovely, quiet. It's so quiet. There's literally no one around. But yeah, I'll show you what it's like.